A very good evening to our chief guest, Darbar Sahib Jetpur, President, Board of Trustees, Mrs. Adhikari, Principal, Vice Principal, Bossa Sir, parents, teachers, and students. I request you all to stand up for the school flag. Please be seated. May I now request Principal Sir to give the prefectorial oath.
First, I'll begin with the pledge, and then I'll follow with the oath. Those who are put in authority over others and accept the highest office of leadership undertake duties that are not always easy to carry out. They must strictly obey the rules of the college if they are to see that others also do so. Example counts more than precept. They must not be tempted to court popularity, but they can remember that if they do their duty well and fairly, they will win respect. And to be respected is far better than to be cheaply popular. In exercising their responsibilities and learning to exercise them wisely, they are given the highest opportunity this college offers of preparing themselves for the wider life they will enter when the time comes for them to leave. I'll read the oath. Kindly repeat after me. In this 150th year of the college's history, I accept this position of and pledge to carry out the duties and responsibilities that go with it to the best of my ability. With thorough determination and courage, with steadfast devotion and loyalty, I pledge to do my very best in letter and spirit to serve my school, the Rajkumar College, and India, my beloved country, mindful ever of the greater responsibility and honor bestowed on me by my preceptors this historic 20th day of February 2021.
Thank you, sir. Prefectorial Appointments 2020-2021. Head Boy, Shripal Ram. Head girl Zara Zarotrawala. Deputy head boy Divyesh Hai.
Senior prefects Malde Gojia.
Senior prefects Malde Gojia. Jai Krishna Gohil. Samarjeet Khachar.
Matrusi Jadeja.
Matrusi Jadeja. Yashashvi Gadvi. Dhruvi Sompura. Prefects Urja Detroja.
Niva Padhya. Niva Padhya. Niva Padhya.
Niva Padhya. Ami Barcha. Preksha Sheth. Pushti Patel. Mahenshi Chauhan. Shagun Mishra. Niharika Solanki. Dhyan Sompura. Sneh Salet. Vishnu Hai. यश सलेट. अमरदीप सिंह जाला. सबर सुंभान्या. राजू छांगा. प्रथम सिमरिया. जश भट्ट. यश तेलाला. द्रुनाल बेलानी.
I request you all to stand up for the school flag to march off. I request you all to please be seated. I request Principal Sir Mr. Shankar Singh Adhikari to address the gathering.
Honorable Darbar Sahib Jetpur, President Board of Trustees, Mrs. Adhikari, colleagues, and dear students. A very good evening to you all. Now, this investiture ceremony is very different from all other prefectorial investiture ceremonies we have had so far. Generally, we have a full house with excited juniors sitting behind, gaping at the newly appointed prefects. Parents are sitting this side, looking adoringly at their wards, getting the badges. But I would ask the students, those who have received the badges, advise them not to feel let down, but to feel proud of the fact that your badge is so unique that it will go down in the long 150 years of the school as the only badge to have been given the badges in this manner. We shall never forget this investiture ceremony. In fact, people forget the normal procedures. And when we speak, maybe after some year hence, we generally, among conversations, we speak of things which were different from others. Your badge is very different from others. So whenever the talk goes, you will always be remembered. Give yourself a round of applause. On a lighter note, now you know what Virat Kohli and his team feel when they play to empty stands. Another uniqueness of this investiture ceremony, which many have pointed me out during these past few days. Some have said that, sir, why are you having it? Because now you have given them the badges, but they have got no responsibilities to fulfill, no duties to discharge. But I tell you all, that is not the full story. There is another side of the coin as well. These badges are awarded to you for the hard work which you have been doing all through your stay in the school. This is the prize which you get over the years. Many of you have studied here for 10 years, some for 8 years, from 6 years. You have participated in so many events, co-curricular, sports. You have helped the teachers in their tasks. You have guided the juniors. You have played with them. All this is always noticed by the teachers. It is noticed by housemasters. It is noticed by the authorities. And they keep it somewhere in their head somewhere that this chap has got some qualities. This girl has got some qualities. Right? Not from now. Right from the time we are in class 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each one of us during that time can make out that this, if they channelize their duties well, their energies well, and if they are true to themselves, they will one day make it like you have made it. So this is a reward for your so many years of stay and work in the school. It is not that we give you this badges so that you do your duties for next 6-7 months. You deserve it. That is why we give it to you. But I should like to end on a good note. This prefectorial ceremony is the silver lining we are always looking for. The dark clouds are blowing away. The sun is going to shine brighter now. And this prefectorial investiture ceremony will open doors for the school to progress now. Henceforth, all COVID pandemic things are way behind us. Now we make a new start. Before I end, I must also thank some of the children who have done work, like the flag bearers, Vyoma Pala and Jay Patel. They have carried the flag. It weighs a lot. The physical weight of the flag is quite a bit, but more than the physical weight is the responsibility, the weight of responsibility with which you carry the flag to keep it aloft at all times. Thank you. You did a commendable job. Also to be thanked are the comparers, Zara Sharma and Ayush Barot. Please give them a big hand. They have done a good job. And also the tape bearers, Juhi Gosai, Insia Kapasi, Veer Jagtakia, and Dhruvin Khund. Thank you very much. And thank you all.
Thank you, sir. I request Vice Principal, sir, to propose to vote of thanks.
Good evening to all of you. ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, I take this opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on behalf of the Rajkumar College fraternity. Our gratitude to Darbar Sahib of Jodhpur, President, Board of Trustees, for honoring us by his presence and for supporting us at all crucial moments. Sir, your praises and pulling us up as per need makes us learn and grow. Thank you very much, sir, for that. I thank Mrs. Adhikari for her gracious presence here today and for being a constantly unbiased observer and critic of our events and proceedings. Madam, we thank you for your presence today and your role all throughout. We thank Principal Sir for leading us confidently, positively, and sensitively through thick and thin. Thank you very much, sir. We thank Mr. Chako and his team for all administrative support timely and sufficiently. Our gratitude to the housemasters and teachers for their teamwork, for the grand rehearsals they have had to make this event perfect, and without whom the function would not have clicked. Dr. R.K. Mishra and his team for keeping all our furnaces burning day in and day out. Chetan Bhai and his team for the behind-the-scenes support of infrastructure and everything that we need at short notice. And above all, the parents who are unfortunately not present on this occasion, but we cannot forget them, without whom the students would not be here, and without the students, we would have no one to work for or work around. So thanks to your parents, dear students. Do thank them on our behalf, and thanks to you for cooperating with us and making things happen within this campus. Long live RKC, Jai Hind, Jai Gujarat. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I request you all to rise for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Please be seated. I request the prefectorial team, chief guests, and officials to stay back for the photo session. Students and teachers to move to the quadrangle for dinner.